Could you give us a brief introduction to what your company does, please?
Yep. Marshall-Tufflex Energy Management have been in the electrical industry for over 40 years. Our Energy Management Solutions division, which we established about 4 years ago, offers a range of energy management solutions depending on the client's requirements, both for domestic and commercial applications. Within our portfolio of products, we have voltage optimization, we have sub-metering products, which are both fixed and permanent, and we also have energy dashboard technology as well.
Fantastic. And what would you say makes your product unique or gives you a competitive advantage?
We're a UK manufacturer, which obviously gives us an advantage and obviously gives our customers the reassurance that all our products are manufactured in the UK. In essence, we are one of very few companies that can offer the full package. So we don't necessarily go to our customers with a solution. What we typically do is we talk to our customers and find out what they're looking to do in terms of managing their energy. And that may be they just want to get a grip of where their energy is being used, and so they might use sub-metering in order to identify where the energy is being used. And then from that, there might be a number of measures they can then take which will act to reduce their energy. And we can again offer a solution for that, whether it be voltage optimization or whether it be putting in further controls and measures by some of our other product ranges.
And what are your main markets and where do you primarily operate?
Principally, we operate in the commercial and the domestic market. We've got a range of solutions for both. Probably more products for the commercial market, and that can be both private and public sector. We've done a whole host of work with public sector businesses such as schools, county councils, hospitals, police services, and so on and so on. And in the private sector, we've done everything from supermarkets through to manufacturing, just the whole range, really.
And so where do you see the technologies you provide and the company going in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, the energy market is still quite a new market in many respects, and I think what we're seeing each year is more and more products coming out all the time, principally looking at energy saving techniques. We're trying to look at the value-added end of the market and the higher technology end of the market and trying to keep our products ahead of the rest by looking at the higher technologies and looking at providing bespoke solutions for people. So it's a rapidly moving market. We're spending a lot of time innovating with our products and trying to keep them ahead of the competition.
And finally, what was your motivation for coming here today to the exhibition?
Principally, is to show our products to the marketplace. This is one of a number of exhibitions where energy is the main subject. We're looking to talk to businesses on a business-to-business basis, looking to talk to them and talk to them about what their energy issues might be, whether it be from just identifying where their energy is being used to actually taking actions in terms of reducing their energy accordingly. So we're looking to talk to any clients from private or public sector that are looking for an energy management solution.
This is one of your most innovative solutions. Do you think you could run us through what it is and what it does?
Yeah, this is a Voltis home unit, which is a domestic voltage optimizer. And what this unit is doing is in essence saving you money on your household electricity bill. It does it by reducing the voltage coming into your house. Now at the moment, this unit's running, we've got a tumble dryer running at the moment, and it's taking a load of 7.5 amps, which you can see there. And the voltage on the V-in is 241, which is your mains voltage coming into that unit. And then we've reduced it, which is the voltage out, down to 219. And you can see at that level, this tumble dryer is pulling 7.5 amps. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the unit across into bypass. So we'll switch the unit out so you can then see what the tumble dryer will be drawing in amps, which is what you pay for, when it's in bypass or mains mode. So I'll switch it across now. It'll take about seven or so seconds. So the unit is now switching across to bypass, and you'll see from the readings that the voltage now has gone back to the 241 level, and the amps have gone up to about 8.8 amps. So the difference we had before, which was about 7.6 amps to 8.8 amps, is the saving that you're making using this device. Now that's just running off one item. if you multiply that up in every domestic situation where you've got your lighting, you've got your fridges, you've got your freezers, all those appliances ultimately will save you money on your domestic electricity bill. This is our commercial voltage unit, which is this one is a 200 amp 3-phase unit. So whereas the one I've just shown you is suitable for domestic applications, this unit is suitable for commercial applications. We do them in a number of sizes, from 200 amps all the way up to about 2,000, maybe 2,500 amps, depending on the site's requirements. This is obviously a 3-phase unit. Where we're a little bit different is we have technology such as automatic bypass. And what that allows the unit to do is if the unit detects there's an issue with the supply or the load that is outside of its normal supply parameters, for example, there may be a drop in the mains voltage to the site, rather than this unit compound that issue, the unit will switch into bypass and step out the way. And it will do that via a neutral switching mechanism, so you don't lose any continuity in the supply of electricity to your site. What the unit will then do, it'll sit there and it'll watch what's going on, and once it detects that the parameters have returned to normal, it again will switch back to save mode and ultimately then be saving you money. Typically with these units you would expect a payback of between 2 and 4 years, and they're suitable for any type of commercial application, from office blocks through to we've got units in NHS hospitals, in county councils and in manufacturing organisations.